Guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you 3 high traffic free sites with tier 1 traffic. For your affiliate offers, whatever affiliate offer that may be that you're trying to promote, well, these 3 sites are high tier 1 traffic sites, and it's all free to do and should be available from anywhere in the world. So if this is interesting to you and you want to see how to drive some traffic to your affiliate offers, well, you want to stick around and watch this whole video, and we're going to go on ahead and get started on it here right now. When I say any affiliate offer that you want to do, you can do it with CLICKBANK products, you can do it with Digistore 24 products, and you can do it with Warrior Plus products, JVZoo, and you can even do it with CPA products as well. You can do any kind of affiliate product that you want to use, and all these 3 sites, these high tier 1 traffic sites I'm going to show you, will allow, and they do allow, affiliate products and affiliate links on their sites. Okay, alright, so whichever product that you're promoting, these sites are going to be the ones that you're going to be interested in. But before we get started, the people that are new to my videos, if this is the first time coming to my channel or to my videos, anytime during the video that you think about it, reach down below the video if you haven't yet subscribed, click the subscribe button and click that little notification bell there right beside it, so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on the site. Okay, alright, so let's go ahead and get back to the video. This first site that we're going to use here, and guys, these are really good classified sites. It's free to sign up here and post on these sites, and I'm going to show you the traffic as well. The first one is Kijiji. You see it right here, and it's right up here in the address bar. If you look right there, it's Kijiji.ca. It's a Canada website. Canada is one of the top tier countries of the world with tier 1 traffic. All right, and as you can see that a lot of people come here and post their ads on here for free. They even have apps that you can do it from your phone as well on this site here, it looks like. And let me show you the traffic on this site, why we are using this one. Not only is it free, but the traffic, if I bring out my similar web right here, guys, and I scroll up here, you can see right here that the monthly visits to this site are about 50 million people. And if we scroll up a little farther, you can see right here too that Canada is the most of traffic. As you can see here, Canada is about 96%, and then you got the United States, and then India, and so on down through there. So these are the top tier 1 countries right here, Canada, United States. So that makes this a tier 1 traffic site. You get good quality traffic from the US and Canada. So this site here is really good. You just want to click on register right here, guys. Fill in your name, your email address, and a good strong password, and click create an account, and they will probably send you an email confirmation. So get that validated and get it verified, and come back and click sign in, and then you just simply click on post an ad, and you can post any ad that you want. Now, just for example, to show you, I'll just use CLICKBANK as an example here. So if I type in here CLICKBANK, right, so if we're using CLICKBANK products, and I press enter here, and we scroll up, you can see that a few people have, these ads are popping up here, but a few people have CLICKBANK products here. In fact, this one right here, Learn Piano or Keyboard, if you look right here, if I can highlight that right there, that is their CLICKBANK link right there. Well, I clicked on it and it took me over here to that product, but you can see it right here, that is their CLICKBANK link right there, guys. And the only thing is I wouldn't put that old ugly CLICKBANK link on there like that. I would take my CLICKBANK link over to like bit.ly.com or tinyurl.com and shorten it up and make it look a whole lot more presentable than that long, nasty looking CLICKBANK link that they've got there. That would probably help you in your sales. So you can see that here on Kijiji, people are posting affiliate offers on this site, And guys, I want to tell you again here, I've said this before, when it comes to affiliate marketing, it's a volume thing. You're going to post lots and lots of affiliate offers from all over. I mean, you can just use wherever you want. I showed you, Digistore 24, whatever, and post lots of offers on these 3 high tier traffic sites, tier 1 traffic sites that I'm showing you here. And the more you post, well, of course, the more opportunity that you're going to have to make money with affiliate marketing. That's just the way it is with affiliate marketing. It's not there's no such thing as one post and done, and then want to know why it's not working for you. No, you want to post many, many different offers on each of these sites to increase your chances. Well, like I like to say, you got a guy out there at the lake, and he's got one line out there, and he's trying to catch a fish. And just down the way, you got a guy down there, and he's got 10 lines, 10 fishing poles, all thrown out there in that lake. Who's more likely to catch a fish sooner? It's going to be the guy that has 10 fishing lines out there in the lake. So it's the same here. The more products you post, the more fishing lines you put out there, the more opportunity that you're going to have to make money, right? All right, now, that's the first site, Kijiji.ca, right up there in the address bar. The second site that we're going to be using here, guys, is this one right here. It's called CLAZ, C-L-A-Z, and you see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's CLAZ.org, CLAZ.org. This site here doesn't look like much, but it's a very high traffic site, and it's free to post an ad here too. And you can click the login here, I guess, and probably register if you don't have an account. Well, yeah, you can you can sign in with your Facebook or Google account, or you can click right here where it says create an account. You see right there where my mouse is. And then come over here to this site, and you can post free ads, classified ads here on this site as well. And so if I bring out my similar web here, guys, just to show you what I'm talking about here, you see we're on claz.org here, and if I scroll up here, you can see that monthly visits to this site, guys, is about at 1 million people per month. And then if we scroll up here and have a look at where the traffic is coming from, you can see here that it's the United States, and the United States has got about 94% of the traffic, which is the tier 1, very good traffic coming from the United States. And you see India is down here second, and then Canada, and so on and so forth. So you've got tier 1 sites right here for top quality traffic to your affiliate offers. So it's the same thing here. You guys want to sign up to this site, and then you can see that they've got every category here and everything known to man, it appears here, that you can post your affiliate products in, from whatever affiliate, either CLICKBANk, Digistore 24, Warrior Plus. You can do CPA or JVZoo. It just doesn't matter, guys. You can use this site to also drive lots of good top traffic to your offers. Here again, it's the more you put or the more you post, the more opportunity that you'll have to take advantage of this traffic on this site. That's the second site, guys. Now, the third site that we're going to show you here today for good traffic is this site right here. It's Hoobly Classifieds, and you can see right up here in the address bar, it's Hoobly.com, HOOBLY.com. And this site here doesn't look like much either, but you can register here on this site and then sign in. These sites are going to send you email confirmations, more than likely, to verify that you are who you say you are. So get that checked out, come back, and you can sign in and simply click on post an ad, and it's free to do that. So if I bring out the similar web here, you can see here that the traffic on this site, I'll make sure we're on Hoobly.com there, and you can see that the traffic here on this site gets pretty close to 1 million per month. Now, it was up over 1 million back in like August and September, and it's kind of dropped down since then. I wonder if that doesn't have something to do with the COVID and that kind of thing, or whatever's going on. Usually in the wintertime like this, business is slower in January and February, so it might have something to do with it. But that could come back up. So it's about close to 1 million people now. But here is, if we scroll up here, look at this. The top tier traffic coming from the United States, about 89% of that traffic coming from the United States. And then you've got India and Canada again, which are the top tier countries with tier 1 traffic in the world. That's why this site right here, all these sites have good top tier 1 traffic, and you can post your ad here. You simply click on register, just pick a username, put in your email address, and then just click register. Now they say right here, Hoobly sends message notifications and other alerts to your email, so that tells me that they're going to send an email confirmation when you click on register, so you'll want to get that checked out as well. Now I just want to see something here. If I click in here and type in here like CLICKBANK, and you can see right here, here's one person. Now this is only one person's posted here, a CLICKBANK offer right here. This is affiliate commissions on CLICKBANK, or you can see right there, and this can be some proof here that you guys can post any affiliate offers you want on this site too. Now I recommend, like I said, don't use that long ugly CLICKBANK link. You want to shorten those links up and make them look presentable with either bit.ly or your tinyurl.com. So guys, that's the 3 sites I wanted to show you. It is Kijiji, and with the high tier 1 traffic, and it is also claz.org with tier 1 traffic, and Hoobly with tier 1 traffic as well. And just all you got to do is just keep posting and keep posting. Get relentless with it, because the more you put up, the more opportunity that you will have to make money with these classified sites like this, and particularly since the traffic's coming mostly from the United States and Canada. Alrighty guys, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. That's the video I had for you today. I wanted to show you these really good high traffic sites, and it's free to post your affiliate offers on these sites. Reach down and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. And if you got any questions or comments about the video, just leave them down below. And also, don't forget to watch these other videos up here, money making videos that are showing up here somewhere. And those will help you to make money online as well. And also, if you want to learn the formula for high-ticket affiliate marketing, where you can have the opportunity to make thousands in one day's possibility, you want to click down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and come through my funnel and see how you can watch a free presentation. We'll show you how you can learn the formula for high-ticket affiliate marketing as well. Alrighty guys, well, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so with the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.